A ceiling isn't just a cover. Sometimes, it becomes the centerpiece. This is the making of a cross-vaulted dome, a structure that combines both complexity and elegance. From the very first layout lines to the final detailing, every step demands precision. It starts with framework. Curved channels are bent and aligned to form perfect intersecting arcs. The symmetry has to be exact, one wrong angle, and the entire dome loses its balance. With the structure in place, flexible boards are applied carefully over each section. They're bent, fixed, and adjusted, piece by piece, until the surface is smooth and seamless. No templates. No shortcuts. Just hours of standing, climbing, lifting, measuring, again and again, until it all fits. As one installer joked, "My feet swelled, but the ceiling came out perfect." Then come the finishing touches. Joints are sealed, curves sharpened, and every line refined by hand. Even the material choice matters. Lightweight panels are used to reduce stress on the frame, yet strong enough to hold shape and texture under pressure. And when the lights are installed, the shadows, the curves, the soft reflections, everything comes alive. This is more than just ceiling work. It's dedication. And when the light hits just right, it's art.